Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be going over the transactions section within a wallet on Compass. To navigate to this, you click Start Exploring. You then paste the wallet address that you would like to see the transactions for, and then you click Transactions. This shows you every transaction that this wallet has made. So it will tell you the collection that the transaction was in. It will show you the token ID. And it will tell you where the transaction came from, who the transaction went to, the value of the transaction, what the action was, and when it happened. So in the case of these transactions here, these are all false mints from a scam collection to sneaky Ninja Pants wallet. The reason they would do something like that is because it could potentially get someone to mint a scam collection. On Compass, you can determine that this was not minted by the wallet that it was sent to based on this exclamation point. If you hover over it, it will explain that the transaction was not initiated by the wallet owner. If you scroll down, you'll see some sales. So you can see it was from the collection Starbirds. You can see which token it was, who it was from, and these are all sales. So this is Sneaky buying them, and so they're all to his wallet. And you can see the price they paid for the NFT, and then below that is what they paid with gas. And then 28 minutes ago. And if you scroll down, you can load more and continue to look through the transaction history. Most of these are Sneaky Ninja Pants just buying, but you get the gist of it. Yeah, here's some more false mints, and then here's like a transfer and stuff like that. So this is useful for a couple of reasons. One being you can determine if a scam mint is sent to a wallet that you are tracking. And secondly, you can use this to see all the transactions they're making, which would show you the trades that they're making. So you can determine if you want to follow a future trade of theirs potentially based on how they've performed in their other trades. And this gives you all the information to see how long they held, their profit or loss, the collection, token ID, so forth and so on. So that is the transactions section within a wallet on Compass and how you can use it to benefit yourself. Hope you enjoyed.